Hello Kyle, this is Matt Miller here at Burtness Motors in Whitewater. I just wanted to show you that walk around here on the 2021 Jeep Renegade we have here on the lot. The Latitude trim level, really nicely appointed. This one has the convenience group. This gives you heated seats, heated steering wheel, power driver's seat. Plenty of room in the back here for more people if you like. This one also has a tow package on it. All-weather mats. Cargo area lid there so you don't have to show everybody what's in the back of your vehicle. Alloy rims. Power locks, power windows. It's a really nice vehicle. Four-wheel drive capabilities, obviously. Dual zone climate. Touchscreen radio. Along with your climate stuff, there's the heated seats and wheel. Really nice vehicle. If you're in the market for a very comfortable, very economical, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive vehicle, this could be the right one for you. The number here is 262-473-8080. You can talk with either Shane or Matt, or you can work online with our online sales staff at driveburtness.com. All right, thanks, Kyle. Bye.